middle sounds of the words, and they are called vowel sounds as well because in 3-letter words we use vowels in the middle. A, E, I, O, U. These 5 letters are called vowels. The first word is cap. Cap. So what do you feel? Which vowels comes in the middle of the word? A. Yes. K, A, P, cap. C, A, P, cap. So vowel A comes in the middle of the word. The next word is bell. Bell. B, A, L, bell. So which vowel comes in the middle? A. Yes. B, A, L, bell. B, E, double L, bell. So vowel E comes in the middle of the word. Now this is the word bin. Bin. So what do you feel? Which vowel sound comes in the middle of the word? E. Yes. B, E, N, bin. E is a sound of I. B, I, N, bin. So vowel I comes in the middle of the word. Now the next word is mop. Mop. M, O, P, mop. In this word, O is a middle vowel sound. M, O, P, mop. M, O, P, mop. Now this is the word run. Run. So what do you feel? What middle vowel sound it should be? A. Yes. R, A, N, run. A is a sound of U. R, U, N, run. So vowel U comes in the middle of the word run.